Today we're going to open 3 of these Lego minifigures 71039. It says Series 2 and there's 12 of them to collect. Kind of a surprise. Let's see who we find. Well, we're opening 3 more of these little 71039 minifigures. Don't know who they are. This one is a different number on it. It has 016668. So let's see who we get here. Alright. What is this? This looks like a cape. I think I probably already have this one. Yeah. We'll go ahead and put her together though. I think this is number 1 here. The cape goes on the back right here. Like so. Her head. Look at this hair. A lot of hair. Now there's a book here, okay? Like the book goes together right like this. Stuff goes inside the book here and all, maybe. Okay. Put the book right there. She is number 1, I think. Don't remember her name, but there she is right there. Okay. Looks like we already had this one, but I thought we had the numbers figured out so that we would get different things each time, but I guess not. Alright, let's take her apart here. We'll put her back in the box. If I can get her head off here. There we go. Ooh. Put her cape back in here. Alright. Back in her box. Sorry we didn't get a different figure that time, but that's going to happen, okay? We got another box here. This one is 13284. We don't have that one yet, so let's see who we find in this one. Alright, get them all out of the way here. Look at him. Multicolored little guy, isn't he? Let's see if we can figure out who this guy was here. Right there, number 12 looks like. Alright. Didn't have him yet, so that's a good one. Here's his head. His mask and all, right there. A lot of things here that go on beside it. Looks like you can pull the mask off and put him some hair on here. If you'd rather do that, looks like. There it is. Okay. I like the mask though. Put these in his hand here. This must be Wolverine or something. Some other stuff here. There's his hair. Those little things. Alright, so let's see. Wolverine, alright. See him? I think that's who that is. Y'all leave me a comment and tell me who he is, because I'm not real sure on this one, okay? Alright, we have a third one here. 423, but this is 003908. Okay, now I don't have that one, that number. Let's see who we find here, okay? Get it open. Here we go. Okay. Yeah, I've seen that little owl before, all right? There's his feet, his body, his head. Looks like the head, before the head goes on, there's a quiver of arrows here that goes on the back. Okay. He's holding a bow here. I guess he'll hold it. We'll put it in right there maybe if we can. Like that. Alright. There's some hair. Okay. Some extra parts, but he's got a little owl here too. So let's go see who he is. I've seen him before, so I have this one. Sure thought that was a different number than the ones I have, but I guess not. There he is. He's number 6. See him right there, number 6. Don't know his name, but y'all will know. I'm sure somebody will leave me a comment and let me know who he is, okay? So there he is, number 6. Quiver of arrows. Okay. I want to thank you for watching this video. Please like and subscribe so you don't miss any. You got a lot more of these. Go check out the playlist. Leave us a comment. Tell us what you think. Also, check out the description below. I have links to Amazon where you can find a lot of these. Okay? Thanks for watching and see you next time.